Welcome to Daily Tutorials. Today our video is gonna be all about attributes. So let's get started. Attributes add an additional information to the element, either styling, providing information to the browser or to the search engines. Now let's check a couple examples. Here we're gonna add an H1. We're gonna put our HTML course. Let's check it in the browser. Here we have our H1. Now we're gonna add an attribute to center this H1, and attributes always placed in the opening tag. So now we're gonna start by the name of the attribute, a line. We're gonna add an equal sign. Next we're gonna put quotes, and we're gonna write center here. Now let's check it in the browser. Yes, we see here that our heading is centered. So let's go back. Let's just do something else. Now let's put right here. Let's check it again. Here we have our H1 on the right. Attributes also used to pass information to the browser or to the search engine. Like, let's go to our HTML element. Now I'm gonna put add, I'm gonna put lang equal quotes, and we put en. And this means that our HTML page is in English, and the browser and the search engine is gonna treat it as an English written page. Something else, attributes are, you can add as many attributes to your elements as you want. There is no limit. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.